In November 2022, Solana was declared dead. The price fell under $12 after the collapse of FTX, its biggest backer. Headline said the chain was finished. Influencers abandoned it and traders dumped their tokens. That should be end of the story. But instead of dying, Solana made one of the greatest comebacks in crypto history. And today, I believe Solana could push past 300 in late 2025 or 2026. Let me show you exactly why. When FTX went down, it was black day for Solana. Alameda held massive portion of Sol, and everyone knew liquidations would flood the market. Solana fell from $35 to under $12 in days. It wasn't just the price. Liquidity drained, DeFi protocols collapsed, and Solana total's value locked dropped to close to zero. For many, Solana was done, but I didn't see the end. I saw an opportunity. Because even in those dark days, one thing didn't change. Solana was still the fastest and cheapest layer 1 blockchain capable of processing thousands of transactions per second. Fundamentals hadn't disappeared, only sentiment had. Through 2023, Solana consolidated quietly at low levels while developers kept building. Then came 2024, the year of the comeback. It started with meme season, Bonk, WIF and other tokens brought traders back to Solana. The Pump Fund changed the game, a one-click token launch platform that created millions of new tokens and attracted hundreds of thousands of retail traders and wallets. Suddenly, Solana was the main hub of crypto. Daily DEX volume hit over 10 billion, with Pump Fund making nearly 80% of that. Solana wasn't dead, it was alive, chaotic and growing fast. By 2025, Solana reclaimed $200, fully recovering to pre-FTX levels. And this time it wasn't FTX or Alameda propping it up. It was the community, the builders and millions of retail users. Now let's talk fundamentals, because this is where Solana really shines. Users and transactions. Solana is the most used blockchain on earth. 40 million active addresses monthly, and Ethereum with only 8.8 million addresses monthly. Fees and revenue. Solana median transaction fee is 0.001, making it 150 times cheaper than Ethereum. But here is the twist. Despite those near zero fees, Solana generated over 230 million in last 30 days, versus Ethereum just only 115 million. More usage means more revenue and stronger ecosystem growth. TVL, total value locked, after failing to near zero in 2023. Solana TVL has surged back about 10 billion in 2025. That's real capital flowing back into the DeFi protocols. DEX trading. Solana dominates in decentralized exchange volume with 118 billion monthly volume. Pump Fund drove retail speculation, while professional traders are using platforms like Jupiter and Action Trade. Token creation and stablecoins. Over 60% of all new tokens are launched on Solana. It's also the leading chain for USDC transactions with 18 million stablecoin transfers every month. Institutional adoption. Big names like BlackRock, PayPal, Visa are already experimenting with tokenized assets and stablecoins on Solana. BlackRock launched digital liquidity fund on Solana, and Visa is testing payments. Technology roadmap. Upgrades like FireDancer are pushing Solana toward 100k to 1 million TPC, making it truly internet-scale finance. No other blockchain is even close. Let's zoom out to the market cycle. Every crypto cycle follows a pattern. First Bitcoin runs, then Ethereum, then large cap altcoins. We've seen Bitcoin run, Ethereum is moving, which means the large caps are next. And Solana is the strongest candidate. Technically, the Sol BTC chart is breaking the long-term resistance around the 50 and 200 week moving averages. In the past cycles, every time Solana broke above these levels, what followed wasn't just a rally, it was parabolic breakout. On the USD chart, 300 is key milestone. It's not too brave, it's the next logical step. From $12 lows to 200 plus already, another move toward 300 is realistic as institutional flows and retail adoptions converge. Of course, no story is perfect. Futures open interest rate is at record heights, which means leverage is building. that makes Solana vulnerable to sharp liquidations. Fun, while great for onboarding new users, it's still very speculative. 99.6% of traders haven't made profits more than 10k. Most of the volume is gambling-like behavior. For long-term growth, Solana needs diversify beyond meme mania. But when you combine culture, fundamentals, institutions, and scalability, Solana has one of the strongest cases in crypto today. Here is how I see it. 2022 to 23 was survival. 24 to 25 was recovery, and 26 could be the breakout. If tokenization really takes off, if institutions keep building, and if culture remains the same as strong as it's today, Solana could become the backbone of digital finance. A move toward 300 is not just hype, it's a natural step in the next phase of this cycle. And whether if you are a trader, investor or builder, Solana is the chain you can ignore. We at HyroTrader also implementing Solana into our ecosystem. We are the crypto prop firm funding crypto traders up to 200k in capital. We were a long time deciding which chain we should choose for our prop trading protocol. And because of these fundamentals I mentioned in this video, we decided for Solana as well. I believe in Solana not because of hype, but because of its real functionality. And I believe next generation of builders will also choose Solana as the #1 blockchain. So if you enjoyed this video about Solana, make sure to hit like and subscribe and turn on notification. I will be sharing more updates on crypto market cycles, strategies and fundamental breakdown like this. And reminder, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy Solana. This is my personal view. Always do your own research. Thanks for watching, and let's see if Solana makes that historic push past 300 in 2025 or 26.